Hi guys! So today's video is going to be my February Boxycharm. We are going to just go ahead and get started. So first up, when we look in the box, we have the little sheet, and so this month's theme is Afterglow. The first product is the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I actually already started with getting ready for this video, and I washed my face with this. I really like how it felt. It was very gentle and very moisturizing, I thought. But I guess we have to wait and see kind of how I like it more as I use it and see how my skin likes it. And that retails for $22. Next up in the box is the Touch Insole No Poreblem Primer. And this retails for $18. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to prime our face. I just squirted out 2 pumps. As you guys can see, my skin is going through a little bit of a rough patch right now. Ooh, I like the way this feels. It definitely has, like, you know how, I don't know how to describe the feeling, but you know how a lot of pore minimizing primers feel? It definitely feels that way, but it's also, it feels moisturizing, and I actually really like how it feels. So my face actually has a little bit of a glow, I think, which is unexpected, so it's not really mattifying. So there's a little bit of a glow. It's not super mattifying. It looks like my pores have gotten a little smaller. I guess that I have to let it sit though for a couple minutes and really see. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and do the rest of my makeup before we move on to the rest of the products. Finished my face makeup, and the next product in the box is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlight, and this retails for $32. I'm gonna use the Real Techniques setting brush. I'm gonna swatch it actually real quick. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, girl, look at that. Oh, it's very powdery though. I'm getting a lot of fallout. But I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight the inner corners with it. I want to make sure this all melts into my face. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and just set my face real quick with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. The next product in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I've never tried this before, but I've always wanted to because it's a cult favorite. It's so pretty. It actually feels kind of heavy. It's heavier than I expected, or heavier than most mascaras. But anyways, this retails for $24. I'm gonna just use my eyelash curler real quick. And I believe this is the Tweezerman eyelash curler. Here we go. Let's see if it lives up to this height. It actually feels like a pretty dry formula. I was expecting it to be a little bit liquidy, a little bit wetter, and I'm gonna keep applying. I'm gonna apply another coat, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's my eyeliner. Maybe that's what's throwing me off. But like, I'm not as excited about it as I thought I was gonna be. Okay, well, we're gonna do the other lash real quick. So the primer, I think, actually did a really nice job. My face doesn't feel too matte, which I'm always nervous about. I think I have to try it out a little bit more, you guys. I'm a little disappointed. But anyways, okay, we'll move on to the next product in the box, which is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. And actually, okay, so it comes in this pretty berry color, and I have it in, shoot, what shade is this? English Rose. And it comes with a primer right there. And when I saw this in the box, I was like, it doesn't have a lid. And I was really upset because look. And I was like, where's the lid? I can't find the lid. The lid came off. But I realized that this is actually the lid, and it's just designed to look like it. and it actually looks like that. So it's cool. I'm excited about it, and it's a pretty color. This is a color I would actually really gravitate towards, and it's magnetic. See? Only I'm like so intrigued by that. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just prime the lips with little... Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and apply this. So it's like a glossy finish, and I actually really like it. So that product retails for $25, and this is our final look from the video. I'm really excited about all these products actually. I wasn't sure because I follow Boxycharm on Instagram, and I was like seeing the products they were posting, and I was like, I don't know, I'm not too excited about any of these products. But now that they're actually here, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with them. So, okay, we're gonna go ahead and total up. So this box is worth $121. And I only paid $21 for all these products. That's insane. That's crazy. I'm really like loving this highlight. It really comes out better on this cheek than this cheek, but that's because the sun is coming in from the window over there. So, but like, I'm checking myself out. You look good, girl. Okay, so that's enough of me being weird. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.